Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2020 Harley-Davidson CVO Street Glide with 14,465 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, heated grips, and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with a 131 cubic inch Screaming Eagle engine, Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, Clockworks windshield, and docking hardware. We have replaced the front and rear tires. The CVO Street Glide takes things in a factory custom direction with ornate details and a stunning limited paint set. In stock form, the Street Glide is powered by a 117 cubic inch V-twin motor, putting 105 horsepower and 125 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 831 pounds and has a 26.1 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.